We get asked the question pretty often, can I use Evotrux to find freight quotes even if I don't have a shipment to move yet? In other words, maybe you're a salesperson or you're quoting a project or a job for a customer that's not going to be ready to move for a month or maybe 2 months or more. Can you use Evotrux to understand what the freight rates might be during that time so that you can accurately quote the freight cost into the project the proposal that you're creating for your customer? The answer is yes, and it's very, very simple. When you're posting a load in the notes section, add just looking for quotes. Carriers are happy to quote you to provide you with a freight rate. And if you just tell them you're just looking for quotes, there's no expectation that you're going to book that right away. You might even want to add in likely to ship in 4 weeks, something like that. So that when the project is ready, you can go back to them and you know what the rates are going to be, or at least you know that they can run the lanes that you're going to be relatively close to that pricing. So that's how you can use Evotrux to get freight rates when you're quoting a customer or a project that's in the future and you don't have a shipment ready to load just yet. Thanks.